Okay, what is polymorphism is it is basically from a definition standpoint, poly means many, right? So one method, if it takes different forms, that is called as polymorphism. Okay, so if I write a method like print off, that method can be utilized in different ways. I can pass different arguments. I can use the method into different inherited classes. In any ways, I use that method based upon my need, right? So that's what polymorphism is. So in polymorphism, we have two things. One is method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so we'll understand because it's very keen concept in Java, because we will be using this only on ground on all the programs. Okay, you want method name so that the code will be more of a readable and be able to override the method definitions based upon our needs. Okay, before we jump into the implementation part, we'll see what is method overloading. Now you saw constructor overloading, right? The same concept is what applies for a method overloading also. So if I have a method, okay, like with two arguments, if I use the same method name with three arguments, that is called as method overloading. Or if I use the same method name with a different kind of a data type, that is called as method overloading. Okay, so what is overriding? That is a bit tricky. I will show that method overriding with a normal example. Okay, so first we'll see what is method overloading over here. It is, you have, if you understood constructor overloading, method overloading will be even overloading example. Okay, so simply I'm going to create a method integer of integer a comma integer b. Okay, so I'll just give, see there is a method with return type. I'll just give return c over here, where my c will be a plus b. Sorry, keyboard is not working great today. Okay, so now you understood, right? So I write one more method. Okay, so in this one I'll just give type as double over here. Okay, and the data type alone I will just update it accordingly over here. Okay, so now I have a b and I'll be returning these two values over here. Okay, it is asking me to cast. Since it's double, it is asking to cast. Sometimes it throws the or I just this method name double. So public double a double b and return I will. Okay, cool. So now this is clear, right? Now what I'll do is I'll just put a main public static void main. So the same name, if I want to call it, how will I create? Why I'm trying all this code again and again, because it will be fixed in your mind. Class name, object name. This is how we create an object, right? Class name of, and if I call it like this, see the same method. It is showing twice for me. Okay, this is method overloading for me. Where but the method name is basically same for me. Okay, so this is called as method overloading, where I can pass different set of arguments. Say I can just give 1.5 some double value. Okay, and I'll give something called as 3.5 over here. So if I call this one, this double method will be invoked. In the similar way, if I just give add of, based upon my arguments, my appropriate methods will be invoked for me. Okay, same method name if I arguments, that is called as method loading. Clear on this one, right? So now if I